What a nightmare. I've literally just done this video, which was good, and the washing machine was on. I didn't even realise there's so much background noise. I'm going to have to do it again. Nightmare. Hello and welcome. Are you really? Really? Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new around here, my name's Tom and I sell stuff online. I basically flip things for a profit, or I try to. I don't always get it right. So that's what I do. If anyone tells you that eBay or flipping online is a passive income, they're lying. It does take a bit of hard work, especially if you have a few learning difficulties. Like, I'm dyslexic, so I struggle with retaining information. So when I go into a shop and I look at something, I think, I wonder if that's worth anything, and then walk out, I forget what it is I went in to look at. It's really quite frustrating, especially when it's 2 or 3 things. So I've decided to take pictures. So I'm the guy in the charity shop taking pictures of stuff. People probably think I'm right weirdo, but that's what I've been doing. So basically, hello and welcome. Let me just get the right information up. So in this video, just want to say I'm using a GoPro. So I'm hoping the quality of the video is okay. I'm going to give it a good go now with the GoPro. I want to test it, make sure I've got it all updated and that, so when I can take it out with me on my journeys, basically. So one of the reasons for this video is literally to use the GoPro there. So I'm going to do an income statement basically for January. So what that's going to involve is all my expenses. That includes inventory that I've bought and is on the shop floor, and inventory that I've bought ready to go up. So it will include that. Other things I want to include on this income statement is my mileage. So if I drive the red car, I mean, it's an hour and a half there. You know, I think we get in the UK 25 or 35 pence a mile as a tax write-off. So I will be recording my mileage. Also, the percentage I can use within my utility bills for my tax statement and lunch and stuff like that. I haven't incurred them expenses within this statement. This is literally the last 2 weeks of January when I just started back up reselling. But I will incur them maybe in February or March, but as I continue to work through this sort of spreadsheet and work out how the operations of it work properly, then I will add them and incur them. But if you know your percentages for that, then you know you can add them on. So this is an income statement from the 1st of January 2025 to the 31st, but it's only the last 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks, like 10 days or 9-10 days when I first started on eBay. So my total revenue for that month is £496.71. Not too bad, not too shabby really. I'm quite happy with that. That's my sales within eBay. That's my gross sales revenue for that month. My total expenses for that month is £159.16. I'll just talk to you a little bit of how them fees are breaking down. So with the fees within eBay, I've gone pretty deep within that. It looks at all the mini data, the sort of macro data. So it goes it's quite intense really. But anyway, so the fees that are incurred is spent on inventory is £32. Like I said, this is stuff that is listed or waiting to be listed. Total marketplace, so my total eBay fees is £64.02. So what are they fees? I'm going to break them down for you now. So with eBay ad fees, this is like your promoted listings, your promoted listings, or sort of any other promos that you might have in your shop. So my ad fees were £2.18. My eBay final value fee was £47.08. My eBay final value fees fixed was £4.32. I don't understand what that one is, but that's what it is. My eBay insertion fees, so I pay 36 pence for every time I do a listing because I don't have a shop. I'm going to wait until the sort of cost of insertion fees matches the sort of cost of a shop really before I get one. And that comes to £4.32. Now, if you're a private seller as well, you won't have to incur them, but just a heads up, like, you know, if you are selling things for a profit online, you do have to declare that to the tax man. I think there's a cap of around £500 on eBay, but anything you earn over £500, eBay forwards that data on anyway to the tax man. So it's good anyway to just keep a record of that. But yeah, you do have to pay tax anyway if you're earning money. Just a heads up as a private seller. But yeah, I'm a business seller. I do have a business account, so I'm paying the insertion fees. That's how it works. So eBay international fees was 8 pence, even though I didn't sell anything internationally, which was a bit odd. eBay regularly operating fees was £2 and 8 pence. So yeah, that's a total of £64 and 2 pence on my marketplace fees. Now, if I do decide to cross this and sell on any other marketplaces like Facebook or Vinted or a Zipsell or whatnot or whatever in the future, they will be added onto this spreadsheet with the fees, but I don't, and currently I'm not selling on any other platform. My total postage labels came to £39 and 55 pence, and additional expenses was £23 and 59 pence. What the additional expenses were, because I didn't actually buy anything for the business this month, like sellotape or packing or shipping labels, because I had all that stuff from when I had my store before, like my zebra print, zebra labels and all that kind of thing. But and I got my free materials from work. So that £23.59 is actually a return, that open return that month, which is followed into next month, because I've not received the item yet, even though it was in the end of January when they opened the return, and that was for an iron. I got the wrong model number, but the iron was exactly what they knew. Do you know what I mean? I think they were just trying one. But I've not received it yet anyway. It's not been posted and shipped, so I imagine that money will come back to me. They've got until the 20th, so if you're watching this, which you're probably not, yeah, 20th, get it posted, otherwise I am closing that case. But that's what that £23.59 is. So my total net income for January is £337 and 55 pence. Like I said, next month or maybe the month after, when I have time to actually sit down and work out the cost of, you know, the food I eat, the utilities I use, and my mileage, that will get added at some point, and other expenses if I do need to buy them for the business. Like I bought some racking in February, and that's gone as expense. It's actually brought me into a deficit within the January sale, within February so far, so I'm hoping that sales pick up. But I'll talk more about that within the income statement of February, which I would do sort of towards the beginning of March. What I am going to do as well is bring them together. So like this income statement here, when I do one in February, I would also tie the two together, so you see the overall of them 2 months. And then every month at the end of the video, I will tie them all together. So by the end of the year, you get a full 12 months. You'll get the December, individual December income statement, and then the yearly one with the entire profit or loss, depending on how it goes. So yeah, last month I earned £496.71. I incurred £159 and 16 pence in expenses, and the net return was £337 and 55 pence. So there we go, there we have it. If you have any questions, then please drop a comment. If you want to know my ROI, my rate of income per things that I sell, my average sort of, you know, my average selling rate, or, you know, you've got any questions at all actually that you want to ask about what I've told you, then yeah, just drop a comment and I'll be happy to share that information with you, because, you know, I want to be as transparent as I can on my eBay journey, because I think that's important, you know. Anyway, I really enjoy, if there's any other YouTubers watching my channel, just big shout out to you guys. Thank you for watching. I really enjoy your content. I really enjoy watching the community's content within YouTube. If you are new, welcome to my channel. And yeah, if you've been following me, thank you for following me, and please drop a comment. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.